Hey everyone, so about a month ago I put out this poll asking if I should split up my channel, and how that would work is all my jewelry stuff would stay right here, and I'd make a second channel that would have more of a focus on tech and 3D printing. And from the looks of it, the majority of the people that took the poll said to just keep it all together. So the problem with that is, there was only 350 people that took the poll, and I have just over 84,000 subscribers. So this is a very small percentage voting on this. And I know not everyone sees the polls or anything like that, so this is your chance to get your word in. That being said, based on the previous poll, I've already accepted a couple 3D printers to do reviews on, and already have them in my possession. And this pretty much means over the next month I'm going to be trying to get all these out to fulfill my obligation to do reviews on them. So for those of you that have zero interest in 3D printers whatsoever, I apologize. And I'm still going to be making jewelry tutorial videos, so don't worry about that whatsoever. I am going to try to be as brutally honest as possible with all of these printers in my reviews, and pull no punches. And in no particular order, here are the printers I'm going to be looking at. So first up is the Odin 5 from Focus. And honestly, I've never heard of this company until they contacted me. And next up is the Flying Bear Ghost 5, which is actually an interesting looking machine and not an Ender 3 clone. And right underneath that one is the JG Maker Magic, which according to its specs, it looks just like an Ender 3 clone. So nothing too exciting. And at the bottom of the pile of all these is the WeDo X40. At first glance it pretty much looks like the others, but it is much bigger, and it has two print heads, meaning that you can print with two different materials at one time, or you can print two different models at one time. Based on the specs and the features of this printer, this is probably going to be the most interesting printer out of the lot. But at the same time, it's going to take the longest to get running right and set up properly due to the IDEX or the dual print heads. But anyways, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and if you don't want to go through the process of leaving me a comment, just leave a like on this video if you want to keep everything on this channel, and leave a dislike if you want everything to be moved onto a different channel. And as you might be able to tell, I'm actually very passionate about 3D printing, and it has changed my life for the better. It has opened up a lot of opportunities for me, and it has just made things a lot easier. So I wanted to share it with others. But anyways, that's enough talking in this video. Head down to the comment section and we can talk there if you have any questions or suggestions. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!